Hello and welcome to Team Energy Induction. This is yet another video. This is especially for our members only video. Out here, we'll be basically speaking about how to check your gearbox before fitting. Okay, so this is a sample RX 100 gearbox that I have, or you can call it as RX 135 also. Basically, a 4-speed gearbox. So the testing philosophy remains the same, whether it is 4-speed, 5-speed, 6-speed, it doesn't matter. Okay, so first of all, when you get your gearbox, thoroughly please clean it with petrol, diesel, or kerosene. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, the cleanliness of these threads, the gear wheels, everything, prima facie, whatever you see here, everything has to be cleaned. So